Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Puleng Mokoena. My business is for catering and baking. I do catering for all sorts of events. You name it, I do the service. My business was formed in 2019 when I resigned from the job. I was working night shift, so I decided that I'm tired. Then my background, I used to like cooking at the early age. So I started the business. I started by cooking. Then initially these days I went to baking classes. Then I'm in love with baking. Cell phone number 079 428 3733. Dijong Puleng. I am a township entrepreneur.